Chris, are you familiar with paintless dent repair at all?
Not so much.
Most people aren't. Certainly you've come out after having eaten at a restaurant or been to church or been to a mall and found a ding or dent that someone put in your car.
It's horrible.
What'd you do?
Go home and it was the back of my head. I got a dent in my car.
Mad, frustrated,
Oh,
right?
It's horrible.
But you didn't Google nearest paintless dent repair place
No.
near me, did you?
No.
Nobody ever does, Chris. People get dings and dents every single day. It's part of life. Nobody ever gets them fixed. You ever even look, any idea what it would cost to fix a ding or dent that could be repaired using the paintless dent repair process the size of a dime?
I don't even want to know.
50, 60 bucks.
Yeah.
Okay? Credit card size, closer to 150 bucks. But here's the problem. Everybody ends up paying for them sooner or later. You know how? When they trade the car or sell the car, whoever buys it, whether it's a dealer like us or a private party, they're going to add up those dings and dents. If you got 6 or 7 of them, and it's 60 or 70 bucks, that's going to be $360, $400 less that someone's going to give you for the vehicle. However, here's what we're going to do for you. We're going to fix every ding and dent you get that can be fixed using the paintless dent repair process for the first year. Okay? And if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than a year, I strongly suggest you look into extending that coverage from in one of our business offices. They'll let you know how to do that. But here's what's in it for you. Number one, it's going to reduce your cost of ownership because you're not paying for a doggone thing. You're going to get them fixed at no cost to you. Zero deductible. Just as importantly, when you go to trade or sell that vehicle, it's going to be worth more because it's got fewer dings and dents than somebody else does. When you lower your cost of ownership and you raise your resale value, you're lowering your total investment. Okay? Paintless dent repair is complimentary and it's got huge value to you. Make sure you use it. Make sure you look into extending it. It's a story. By the way, my
Use
time.
it, you lose it. If you don't use it, you lose it.
Yeah.
Yeah, use
By the way, am I telling the complete truth here?
Yeah.
Yeah.